Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change brush color in Photoshop so you can paint and design with any color you like. Now let's get started. Step 1. Look at the bottom of the toolbar, which is usually located on the left side of your Photoshop screen. You will see two overlapping colored squares, and these represent your foreground and background colors. The top square controls the active color used by the brush tool. Step 2, click once on the top square, which is the foreground color. The foreground color is the main color your brush uses when painting on a layer. Selecting it allows you to change the color before you start drawing. Step 3, the color picker window will pop up on your screen. This window lets you choose any color by adjusting the sliders or clicking inside the color field. After selecting your desired color, click OK to confirm and apply the new brush color. Step 4, select the brush tool by clicking on it in the toolbar, or simply press the letter B on your keyboard. The brush tool is used for painting, shading, and creating digital artwork. Once selected, start painting on your canvas and you will see the new color applied instantly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.